But I've seen a trend, I either want to go that way or I don't want to go that way. Or do you think brass is still going to be in fashion in 2 years' time? I don't want my house to date. And that's just the ever-revolving door of interior design. It's like fashion too. Things change all the time and things come around.
With almost 1,000 decisions to make when designing the interior of your home, one of the most overlooked specialists in the building process is your interior designer.
Homeowners can have an opinion that potentially they can do it very easily. It's something easy. We can just go and pick a tile, but then don't realise the amount of decisions that have to be made. It's not just going to pick a tile. You're designing cabinetry, you're working on the flow of a space, making sure that it all works together.
From decisions in your overall design vision and style, to space planning and layouts, to materials and finishes, to furniture and furnishings, to lighting and decor, to technology and systems, it's easy to see how this exciting journey can soon become overwhelming for most homeowners.
It's really important early on in the design process for us to understand the client, understand how they work in their spaces. For example, to keep it really simple, in a kitchen, who's the cook in the family, the proximity of where the bin is to the preparation area. In a laundry space, we talk about where your dirty laundry will be, where your clean washing will be. Do we need an ironing board in there? Do we need a hanging rail in there? It's a stressful process. It's a big investment when you're renovating or you're building a new home. So certainly when we're involved, it certainly takes the pressure and the stress off the homeowner because we're working with them and with the build team to get the desired outcome. We do it every day. We know what we're doing, so we're taking that away from them.
The collaboration between the interior designer, builder, and architect is just as important to ensure an effective and successful build process, avoiding design disconnections, costly revisions, building delays, compromised quality, and frustration. Teamwork and collaboration is essential to your success.
Our first project with Gold Leaf was a few years ago now. It was a renovation in Dickey Beach. Working with Gold Leaf, it was easy. The communication was great. If there was some troubleshooting, which is inevitable, we have renovations and new builds and there's always going to be little things that pop up that we need to troubleshoot. It's not a drama. We just work through it, and just working closely with the client and the designer together as a team rather than going off and just chatting to the designer and not including client. They're great with just that open communication with everybody.
The ultimate outcome your interior designer wants to achieve is a space that feels authentically yours.
They want to feel like they're at home. It's home. They feel comfortable there. They feel a sense of joy, whether that's bringing colour or whether that's a neutral. They want a sense of belonging. They want to feel like it's their home. It's not a display home. It's something that they feel like they love living in.